Hi, everybody. We are going to cover how to resize an image today. This tutorial is about how to resize an image using Blazonco Admin. So let's go ahead and start with a link will be included to our written tutorial, which you can find here. How to resize an image. It's written down, but this is just going to walk you through how to do it on your own. So let's go on over to Admin. And when you first log in, you usually see your dashboard. So the first place you want to go to upload and resize images is going to be your Files tab. So navigate over to the Files tab. And I am actually going to be adding a new product image to one of my products. But I want to make sure, I'm going to go over here to my products and look on the front end. So here are my tutorial products. I'm going to resize an image to match so that it looks the same as these images. If you notice that the images in your image gallery, which show up right over here, are not matching up, they're different heights or they're kind of looking unorganized, then that means that you will need to resize your images to be uniform. So we can go on over here to Files, and the product I'm working on is how to resize an image. Now I want to see how big this image is, so I'm going to click this little edit icon. And this image I have currently is 600 pixels wide by 480 pixels tall. So I'm going to add a new image by clicking Upload. Choose a file here. And I'm going to go ahead and pick this image. Let's go with this one. Now let's see. This image is maybe a little bit too short to use, so I'm going to delete that and use something else because I need it to be 480 pixels high. So let's go with a different image here. Let's go with a bigger one. Big, giant image that we can resize to make it work. It's a really big image, so it's taken a minute. All right, there we go. Now let's see, we want it to be, again, 600 by 480. So let's look over here. Let's start with the height. Here under the Resize Image section, let's make the height 480 pixels tall. And now my width is a little larger than I need it to be. So I can go ahead and crop it by coming down to the Crop Image section. And I'll go to the crop width, and I'm going to make it 600. But how do I know what's going to be cropped? Well, if I click on this Show Selection in Preview, I can see this red dashed line will allow me to choose what to cut out and what to keep. So I'm going to keep my main part of the image here in the red dashed line. I'm going to rename this file to something. I'm going to click Save, and now I have a duplicate image. And if we go back over here to our front end and refresh it, you'll be able to see how this one matches with this one, but this one does not. It's a completely, even though it's really a large image, the dimensions are not uniform. They're not the same dimensions. So it's going to look pretty weird. When you click on these, also the window pops up, and it's nice to have those, not only do the similar sized images look good down here in the image gallery, but they also look good when you open up the images to look at them. If your images are too large, you're going to get something that fills the whole screen. And now you can't exit out of it. So you have to go back. Okay, so that's pretty much the gist of it, resizing an image. Please contact support if you have questions or would like a tutorial to go over how to do more. Thank you so much and have a great day.